biggest problems I find with those of you making your own tools is you call with a problem where you tighten down your screw, but the cutter is still loose. And when you look at the cutter and the cone shape of the screw and you push it through, you'll see part of the cone exceeds and goes through the bottom of the cutter. To be able to tighten this down, you have to put a countersink in. Now what we're looking at here is a CIO, and it takes an 832 screw, and you can see how deep the countersink is. Now when I put the cutter in place, that screw will seat down in there. Here is a Carter axe, and again you can see here that they have countersunk this, and you can see the screw fits down tightly and neatly into the countersink, and that's what tightens down the cutter to the bar itself. And you can see how long the countersink or cone is on that screw. If you countersink all of your holes, whether they're a 440 or an 832, you're going to find that you have no problem tightening down the cutter itself. Any questions, just email me and we can walk you through it. Thanks.